Hello, first graders. Today we are starting a new unit called Meeting People. In this unit, we are going to take a closer look at how we are the same and how we are different. We are going to look at people from all around the world. We are going to look at cultures and language and things that make us unique and special. Let's get started. Today, we are going to preview this unit by reading a folk tale. A folk tale is a story passed from person to person for many years. In this image, you can see a grandma telling stories to her grandchildren. Many times, this is how folk tales were passed before they were written in any books. Today, we are going to be reading a folk tale from Brazil. Follow along with your eyes as I read this folk tale from Brazil. Long ago in the country of Brazil, a brown beetle was crawling toward the Amazon River. Suddenly, a paca ran past her. "Out of my way, beetle," said the plain brown and white rodent. "You are much too slow." A bright green and yellow parrot had been watching from a tree branch above. "Paca," he called, "what is the problem?" "Beetle is in my way," Paca said. "I'm sorry," said Beetle. "I am on my way to the river." "Ha," said Paca. "You are so slow you will never get there. If you were fast like me, you would be there in no time at all." Parrot did not like Paca's bragging. "Let's have a race," he said. "The first one to the river will earn a beautiful new coat. Now get ready, get set, go!" Paca and Beetle began their race as Parrot flew to the river. Paca ran far ahead of Beetle until he could no longer see her. "Beetle will never be able to catch up with me," thought Paca. Soon Paca finished the race. "Here I am, Parrot," he said. "I want my new coat now." "Look beside you," said Parrot. Paca looked down and saw Beetle sitting by the river. How did you get here before me?" he said. "I can run much faster than you." "I did not run," said Beetle. "I flew." "Oh no! I forgot Beetle had wings," said Paca. "Yes, you were too busy bragging to remember," said Parrot. "Now, Beetle, what colors would you like your coat to be?" "Green and gold, please," said Beetle. And so, to this day, beetles are beautiful. Pacas are still plain but they are a little nicer. Alrighty, first graders. Your job today is to follow the epic link in your Google Slides to find a folk tale. There are many folk tales in this epic folder. Choose one. You can listen to it or read it. What can you learn about the culture where your folk tale is from? Folk tales many times teach lessons. What is a lesson that you can learn? They sometimes describe how something is or why something is the way that it is. In our folk tale this week, we learned why beetles are colorful and pacas are not. Or at least why they are that way in Brazil, because that is where our folk tale came from. I hope you enjoy reading these fun stories, and I look forward to digging deeper into meeting people with you. See you next time.